Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing GenPage, a tool that claims to increase your outbound conversion rate with a powerful ABM landing page builder. The tool is pretty simple. You're going to create a landing page and you're going to cold mail that landing page to your list, and this landing page will be personalized to the list. So if you email Elon Musk, Elon Musk will receive a personalized page, GenPage. The plan is pretty simple to understand. You get 150 credits per month with tier 1, 500 credits per month with tier 2, and so on. Every feature are included on all the tiers. Remember, if you buy tier 5, you get unlimited brand, so you not have a brand limit. Let's take a look at the tool. Here you can see the landing page. So just create your space, a team, and then you will email Elon Musk, Tim Cook, Jeff Bezos, etc. And they will receive a landing page like that. As you can see here, you can customize all the features, as in your logo, as a book a call, or change your call to action. And you can see here, it's personalized to Jeff Bezos. So Jeff Bezos made this quick landing page to show you how we can help Amazon. When you click on continue to campaign, you can see the dashboard, and then you can create a new campaign, add the title, pick up your brands, and then import your leads to your campaign. The tool will send the email to your list, and you can tackle the templates the way that you want, changing here the title, change here where the company name will show up, where the lead first page will show up. You can add videos, you can change call to action, everything. And you have also analytics to see how many people open the landing page, how many people click it to action. So that's GenPage. I hope you like that review. Remember to click on the link to take a look at the tool on AppSumo and get more information about that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.